What's up there guys, welcome back to my car 35. Today we're upstairs in a bit of the workshop section next to the PC, which you probably just see. Today we're going to be building Hercules Hobby 3, or in the next few parts. 3-axle reefer semi-trailer for 1/14 scale tractor truck. And that's how it should look. The reefer on with all the wheels. Now that is the outside casing. I got this don't need to say that, from True Scale Trucks online. Do your lasers, JD models, Hercules, the Scale Club. That's all online. You can find these online at truescaletrucks.com. Well worth it. Now, on what comes in the box, I'll whip the box around. This is an actual box with all the stuff in. You can see that bit what I showed you, that is the sleeve. So, comes with a decor sheet, very similar to Tamiya's, obviously with every hint removed for copyright reasons. We've got our manual, a bit more visible than Tamiya's I think, on a photo glossy kind of paper. So we'll be using that. So we'll start at this end of the bag. So we've got our leg release kit, which we won't be using because we are going to be putting the motorised leg unit in. Still waiting that to be, it's coming today when I'm start recording. You've got your rear wheel, spare wheel holder and a bit of your battery box. Got our wheel covers, mud flaps. We've got the main fridge, the back bumper. That might be a bit back bumper too by the looks of it. You got the chassis bit? No. Yeah, there. It's in that bag. It's not made up yet.
No, I want the chassis leg.
Chassis leg.
Big long chassis.
The metal bit.
The chassis, the legs, the length of it.
Go to that bit, babe.
It's going to be there, isn't it? It's going to be one of them. Length that box.
Oh, the frames?
Yeah.
Oh, look. You can move fifth wheel back on that. You can move fifth wheel on
Better
that.
than that Tamiya one, isn't it?
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. That's my dad. We're making our own trailers, so he wants the width and he wants to do a template of it, pretty much. So we have our axles, our mechanism, trail legs if we're going to use them. Another axle, piece of mesh for the reefer, for the refrigeration bit. Got some wheel rims, 2 more. Got one of our boxes and another one. Got our pipe bits in, some double-sided sticky tape. Got our wheels, foam inserted wheels. Some of our looks like what's going to hold the framework together, the body. And we've got, looks like another axle, maybe the steering, looks like the steering axle. This one does have a steering axle on, fitted. And then this is a few more parts, got your wheel chocks, some holders there, got bits of your fridge here. It looks like your supports that will hold your body together and stuff, and corners. 2 bags of wires. Keep it up, there's another one. Put that to me right. We've got a metal bag, there's your wheel chocks. And your metal bags with all your screws in. Another one. All the screws and stuff in. So you've got your metal frames upright side of this. Another metals bag, and there probably going to be your wheel covers. Your 5th wheel plate there. Ooh. And you've got your big metal sheet for the bottom. You've got your plastics, door sections and the sides. And we've got our roof bottom angle. And we've got some more there. Do lots. And then we have our frames. And Dad's got other one, so I'm going to pull it out. These are the frames that come with the Hercules models. By the looks of it, that bit is a bit longer, so we can move the 5th wheel back a bit. Probably going to move it, it'll sit about here, we're going to move it to about here in the trailer, so it looks more realistic on the turning of the cab. The UK. You got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's have a bit. So that is going to be it for this unboxing video. This has just been a basic unboxing. And in the next video we'll get down to what we need and we're going to start building it. So I'll see you in the next video.